Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this is a mini collection update, take two. And before we get started, I just quickly wanted to apologize for my voice. My little guy was sick and I took the cold out of him. I guess I sucked it out of him and I caught it, and I had no voice for almost a week. So it's been taking me a couple of days to get back on track and upload a video, but hopefully I will be back on schedule. And I wanted to do this unboxing first because this is something that I actually picked up over the holidays. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the unboxing, talk about what I mean by these mini collections, and also talk about this particular silhouette and some of my, not tips, but maybe my personal opinion when it comes to purchasing something like this item. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in, and I'm just gonna take out the box, and I also have my receipt here. Now, as I mentioned, this is the this was purchased during the holidays, so that's why I have the holiday wrapping, which I absolutely love. I'm a huge fan of the new packaging from Louis Vuitton. It's just so much better to use and decorate, so I'm a huge fan. All right, so here I have the duffel bag, and inside I now have my monogram print in the mini pochette silhouette, and I absolutely love this. This retails for $310 US, and this now completes the mini pochette collection because I now have all three. Here I have the Demi Azur in the Tahiti print, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and the Demi Eben print, which I absolutely love. And you know, this is what I mean by mini collection update, because if there is a particular silhouette that I really enjoy, that I can use, you know, in different ways, that is, you know, functional, and I can use it quite a bit throughout the year, it's something that I will continue to purchase, whether it's in a different color or different print. And that's, you know, an example of the mini pochettes. I have used these pretty much every month. You know, I use these in my handbags. I use them when I run errands. I use them to, you know, just go for like, I go to like a movie or something. This is something that I definitely would use when I don't want to use my regular handbag. So I definitely feel that these are definitely worth the money. I quickly wanted to talk about, you know, the price for these, because I find that when you purchase these, whether you do it online or, meaning when I mean online, meaning like from a consignment shop like eBay or Fashion Power or something like that, I find it that sometimes they can be overpriced. And this is something that I had actually saved up for, and I was ready to purchase this probably last winter, but they were sold out. Because these are pieces that everybody wants, you know, that tends to happen. And these type of Louis Vuitton pieces tend to be hit or miss. And when I went to purchase it, they didn't have any. So this took about 6 months for me to get. So I was on the wait list for quite some time. But the way that I had made a decision to wait for it was that if this is a classic piece like the monogram or the Demi Eben, that, you know, for $310, you know, I would rather wait than purchase it in, you know, on these websites, because I have seen these that go for used, that go for, you know, $350, even up to $385. And I personally think that's a little much. The only exception to the rule is if the particular silhouette is a limited edition, and that's where this would come in. Now, this one, I did purchase it over the summer of 2017, and I knew that it was limited edition, and I knew that I wanted this in my collection. So I told myself, if I find it at the stores, I'm just gonna purchase it then. And that's what I did, because this one retailed for $335, and I now see it on eBay for up to $485. So that's quite a bit of a difference, and that is a lot of money for a little mini pochette. You know, regardless, you know, I still think that you know, they're worth it, because there's so many things that you can do with this. But for $485, I think that is quite a bit of money. So You know, my personal opinion is that if it's something that you want, it's in season and it's limited edition, then that's probably the exception to the rule for purchasing then and then. But if it's just something that you really want, like a classic pieces, and you can wait, why not wait the whatever month it is, or, you know, whether it's 6 months or 8 months, but you can get a brand new one and get it at $310 versus purchasing it for $350 or whatever it is, and it's used. That's something that I think that I don't think it's worth it. So I just quickly wanted to mention that because this is such a popular piece. They're always sold out. And I think that sometimes, you know, we might just do an impulse purchase, which I have done in the past, and it just got me into trouble because if I would have just waited, I probably could have just gotten something brand new. So I quickly wanted to mention that, but I absolutely love these pieces. I think the next thing that I'm going to do is purchase the strap that I can use this as a crossbody because, you know, I use this as a wristlet, I use it inside my bag, or I just, you know, carry it like so. But I definitely want to purchase a strap so I can use it as a crossbody because I can definitely fit my iPhone in here, and, you know, all I need is like, you know, a little what do you call it, the card holder and like a lipstick and some gum, and I'm ready to go. So definitely worth every penny. And if you're starting out your luxury collection or your Louis Vuitton luxury collection, this is definitely one of the pieces that I think all of us in the luxe community would agree that you must have. All right, guys, so that was my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I will see you soon because I will start a series of how to keep your wallet in style, and the first part is going to be about my personal story regarding how I got into luxury handbags and how I got into a lot of financial trouble and how I got out of that and how I've been able to rebuild my collection. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And I also have a shopping haul because being sick, I had to get out of the house and I did some damage at H&M, but I got some amazing tops that they just came out with. So I will make sure to do a haul on that soon. And I also probably will do a 2017 roundup of my favorite items and some beauty stuff, some luxury stuff, and some books. I know you guys had asked for some book recommendations, so I will probably get on that as well. Might be a little late, but due to me getting sick, I just wanted to apologize and let you guys know that I will be working on a few videos coming up, hopefully in the next week or so. All right, guys, so as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.